Hi everyone. We are in the first week of Ramadan and celebrations are still going on. After breaking the fast at sunset, Cairo comes to life with different activities like shopping, playing football, sitting in cafes, walking along the Nile River, performing the prayers, and for sure, some other activities. One of the most famous activities is walking in the medieval areas and streets like El Muizz, El Azhar, and Khan el Khalili areas, and Fustat, etc.
Hi guys, I am Yusuf and this is my channel Speak Like Egyptians, and this channel is for language exchange, and we still in the first week of Ramadan, so let's learn something new. And as most of you know that when someone is fasting, that means he isn't allowed to drink or to eat in the fasting period from dawn to sunset, and that also means he may feel hungry or thirsty, and because of thirst, Muslims in Egypt try to drink various drinks to provide their bodies with enough liquids. And let's see the most popular drink that Egyptians drink during Ramadan. The first drink here is Sobia. Sobia. Sobia is a cold drink, and the main ingredients of the juice is water, milk powder, coconut, vanilla, sugar, and you can add some flavors if you want. And the second juice here is Tamarind. Tamarind. It's internationally known as Tamarind. Tamarind or tamarind, it's a leguminous tree bearing edible fruit that is indigenous to tropical Africa. You can soak this fruit with water and sugar and put it in a fridge. Then after a while it will be ready to drink. But some shops, they sell tamarind or tamarind like powder. So all that you need is to put some cold water and some sugar, then stir to make it ready. The third juice is Ainab or Karkade, and it's also known as Roselle juice. Roselle is a hibiscus flower that native to East and West Africa and Southeast Asia. And let me give you a secret. The best roselle flower here in Egypt, you can find it in this beautiful Egyptian city, Aswan. Okay? Don't tell anybody. The fourth juice here is Carob. Say it again. Carob. It's internationally known as Carob, and Carob is a flowering evergreen tree in the legume family. It's widely cultivated for its edible pods and as an ornamental tree in gardens and landscapes. Carob is native to Mediterranean region and Middle East. The fifth juice is Dome or hyphae juice in English, and hyphae is a genus palms. It's native to Africa, Madagascar, Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent. And by the way, this is one of my favorite juice. That's because it's so delicious, and besides, it lowers the blood pressure too. The sixth juice is Irsus. Say it again. Irsus. Irsus. Irsus is known in English as licorice. Licorice is a flowering plant native to West Asia and Southern Europe. The seventh is Khushav. Khushav. I know I talked about Khushav last video, and Khushav is milk or water with some dried fruits like apricot, figs, and dates. Number 8. And number 8 is Amar el-Din. Amar el-Din. I know I talked about Amar el-Din last video too, and as I said, Amar el-Din is apricot juice. It was first produced in Syria. And now let's move to number 9. Number 9 is حاجة ساقعة. Say it again. There are two words. حاجة ساقعة. حاجة ساقعة. حاجة ساقعة literally means something cold. Something cold. But this is the way how Egyptians call fizzy drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 7-Up, etc. And the last word here is عصير. عصير. Try to make the letter S heavy. عصير. Don't say عصير. عصير is another word. Do you remember when I told you we have to make some Arabic letters heavy? Because if you pronounce them like it doesn't give you the right word. I hope you can pronounce it. عصير. عصير. عصير means juice, like apricot juice, it's like orange juice. Okay, and that's enough for today. Remember, this channel is for language exchange, so don't forget to correct my mistakes in English and try to practice very well. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. And don't also forget to subscribe, share, and like my video. In case if you like it, study well what you learned and try to use it. Don't forget, use it or lose it. And wait for me until next time. See you.